in a fridge made of yesterday's dreams. A pineapple proposed to a jar of beans. They danced on the moon with a spoonful of screams, while the clock wore pajamas and knitted some jeans. My toaster eloped with the cloud full of rain. They honeymooned in a volcano's drain. The eggs in my basket declared civil war. One fried sunny side, the other swore to become an astronaut. Penguin with flair, wearing tuxedos of electric despair.
Banana. Woo! Flip it, hooray!
A librarian whispered to 7 blind cats, "Shh, the books are plotting with communist rats." The rats wore monocles, sipped tea from a shoe, while the vacuum cleaner sang opera to glue. I asked my shadow for existential advice. It replied with a tango and rolled loaded dice. Grandfather Clock grew a mustache of fire, demanded a divorce from the kitchen's entire empire of spoons that revolted at noon. They marched with pitchforks made out of the moon. The fridge sang the anthem of upside down cake, while pancakes plotted their great jailbreak. Elephants juggle forgotten umbrellas. Hippos in high heels sell existential fellas. The alphabet rebelled. Q ran away with X and with Y in a hot air ballet. Z stayed behind to invent purple cheese, while vowels formed unions and demanded more fees. Flip the banana!
The world's gone berserk.
Turtles are surfing
On mountains of work.
the ceiling, proposed to a floating giraffe. They married in syrup with a photograph laugh. Revolution in velvet socks, marching in line. We're all just confetti in Father Time's wine. And the last jelly bean whispered goodbye to a cloud wearing flip-flops, waving high. Fade to confetti in velvet socks. Flip the banana forever.